Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with Adam's Campsite. So today I want to go ahead and do an unboxing to an Ion mug. Yes, I got this Ion mug from Walmart. Again, I just want to emphasize that my channel isn't to gain any type of profit or personal financial benefits. It's solely to share information that's interesting and that's out there. But again, thank you so much for joining me, and let's get started on this unboxing. So it's kind of weird how they made this box, and you could make this into a freaking spacecraft. Instead of opening it from the top or having a lid where it opens up from the sides, they have the items coming out from the sides. Just a unique way of unboxing a product. Alright, so you got 4 components here. You got your connection that goes to the mug. There you go. Alright, and then you got your coaster, little plastic coaster. Your mug's pretty solid. It has a lid, so 5 components. Your lid's pretty made of plastic as well. It closes and opens. It has 2 openings, one smaller than the other. And then you got your main mug, you know, nice and big. And also in the bottom is your on and off switch, because the mug itself is an electrical piece as well. There's a battery in here, the electrical piece that actually keeps that liquid warm in there. And then you got your little instructions here. It's going right into it, right? We don't need instructions, but I did catch a few things here. Your power switch, which is in the bottom, so it does have an LED light that lights up. It gives you a temperature of how hot the liquid inside the mug is. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this stuff together. Alright, you know what, I like doing this. Ready? Abracadabra. Woo, nice. There you go. So the mug does have a rechargeable battery, which is why it's blinking right now. But because we took it out of the box just recently, it's probably dead and it's been recharged. So right now it's charging up. If I were to take it off the mug and then click, it says right now, it says 140 right now. We know it's not 140. I wish I had instructions. Oh wait, we did have instructions. I just threw it away. Where are your instructions? Always read the instructions. So it says on the instructions, press the switch button for 3 seconds. The mug enters standby mode and temperature digital display blinks. Okay, so we know that. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, it's blinking. It's blinking. I gotta blink it again. It says 140. Okay, and then I gotta hit it the 3rd time. I gotta click it again. It's 145. There you go. So press the switch button for 3 seconds again, and the mug heating function will turn off. 1, 2, 3, and it turns off. All right. Now I don't need you. All right. Let's move on. So when you take the mug off the coaster, it lasts for 2 to 3 hours, the battery inside it, and then you got to charge it afterwards. But it keeps your liquid hot for the 2 to 3 hours, and then once 2 to 3 hours off, it'll shut off the battery, I guess, and then you got to put it back on the coaster for the battery to recharge, as well as for the liquid inside it to heat up with it being on the coaster. So with it being on the coaster, the mug will stay hot for 24 hours as long as it's on the coaster. Now it does have a safety mechanism where it will shut off when it's not being utilized, or you're probably not grabbing it, picking it up and drinking and putting it down. It's probably good, but if it's there, no one's touched it, it turns off on its own. It's a safety mechanism. So we're gonna go ahead and put some liquid in here. All right. Let's go ahead and get some water. Water, cocoa. All right, there you go. Something to stir it with. All right, and last but not least, let's go ahead and put a marshmallow. Yeah. Let me go ahead and sink this marshmallow down. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my finger in here. Still code. So there's a warning right here, print right here, and it says, warning, keep out of children's reach. Where are those instructions? Here they are. All right. Okay, it says, do not expose to water extreme temperatures or high humidity environment. The bottom of the ion contains metal particles, so please do not use it in the microwave oven. Do not put the ion mug without any liquids on the charging pad. It may overheat and burn. Do not put the ion mug without any liquid on the charging pad. It may overheat and burn. Do not touch the inside and bottom of the ion mug while it is on the charging pad or shortly after it was removed. It may be hot and cause burns. Keep out of children. Do not try to take the ion mug apart or use it for any other use than its intended use. Do not use any other adapter to charge the coaster. So there you go. Don't need the instructions. Yes, you do. Go ahead and leave the cup running for a while, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Alright, so it's 15 minutes now, and we're going to go ahead and see how hot it is. Alright, it's nice and warm. Okay, let's go ahead and take a nice sip of this hot or warm beverage. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice and warm. So after reading the instructions a little bit more while I was waiting, so once the blinking stops, the blinking red light will turn green solid, and it's pretty much indicating that it's reached its temperature and the liquid inside is per that temperature. So when there's no liquid inside the mug, there'll be a 2-line display, and it pretty much indicates that the mug is empty. Another thing that happens is that after 3 hours, the mug will shut off as a safety mechanism. So just make sure you use situational awareness when you're using this mug. Make sure there's liquid. Make sure you don't leave it unattended for a long time. That's what I would say if you're going to be using this mug. Let's go ahead and take zip now. Oh yeah. So I found this specific mug at Walmart for $40, and I'll display the cost right now on the screen for you. Again, it costs $40 on Walmart, and I think it's a nice little cup, nice and solid. But again, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing of an ion mug. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and again, as always, I catch you on the flip side.